Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your very own logo in your menu bar. So we're going to be creating it in brackets. Let's get started. So what we need to do is first open our index.html, and this is my base code. So it has all the normal base code, and then all these links that I've used, the font awesome link, the font awesome CDN, here the bootstrap CSS. I'll leave the source code in the description so you can go ahead and just copy these folders. I just downloaded them from different websites, jQuery, Bootstrap 5 and Google Fonts. So now to code our navbar. So what we need to do first is go on to index.html, and I've added a comment here so everyone knows that this is the navbar. So now first we need to add a nav tag, like so, and then it needs to have this specific class in the navbar. And now let's close this. Now inside this nav tag, what we need to write is div class equals to container, like so, and then what we need to do is close this. Then inside of that we need to write our anchor tag. So our anchor tag consists of our class, which is this here, and then it contains of a link here. So this is when you click on whatever is inside the anchor tag. If you click on that, then it reopens index.html. So basically goes back to the start of the web page. So now we need to close that, like so. And then now we need to do our image. So my image is a shopping bag icon with just some text on the side. So you can add any icon you want. You can go to Font Awesome and find an icon. I just downloaded an image from online. And then what we need to do is we need to add a span tag. Now we need to add this specific class, and then we can write our brand name. So mine is attire, and then this is how it will appear. But first, before we get into any of that, we've completed the index.html for our navbar, but now we need to do the CSS. CSS is cascading style sheets. Check out my video that I did a couple days ago for what is CSS. So now we need to style the body of the web page. And before I forget to mention, this code here, I got it from Google Fonts. You can check the source code and copy and paste these links. So in our body, we've got the font family Ver SM font. That's this font from Google Fonts. And then after that, we are going to style our navbar. So body styles the whole website, and then now we are going to style our navbar using dot. So first we need to write dot navbar curly brace, hit enter, and we need to do WebKit box shadow, and then we need to do these 2 lines of code here. And then what we need to do is write dot navbar dash brand space image, then hit enter and write width as 30px, and add a semicolon at the end of the line for all of these, because then the computer knows that this is the end of the line in CSS. Now for our last block of code in CSS is .navbar dash brand space span. This is the span tag attire of our website. So letter spacing is 2px, and font family is LG font, the other one in our root. So now what we need to do is click on File, Save All, and then we need to open up in Live Preview. Now once it loads, you'll see a website like this. So here is our navbar, and we've got our logo, the shopping cart icon, and the span tag, the text, attire. Now for more videos like this, you can subscribe, like and share, and turn off the notifications bell. Now we still need to do the home collection specials and all that here, and then we need to do the icon, shopping cart icon, love heart icon in the next few videos. So stay tuned and make sure not to miss them. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.